everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to a little update today. Now I really didn't expect to do another update so soon, but because of everything that's going on, I really did want to just post some scrap happiness. Honestly, that's all I wanted to do because we are going to have some extra time at home, some time that we can spend being creative, and that's what I wanted to talk about today. And so you can see in the video that I talk about virus stress reliever, and I truly believe that you can be creative during this time, take that negative energy and turn it into creative, positive energy. And that is a little bit of a mind switch, but you can do it. Sometimes you have to force yourself to do it, but do it. It's really important for your mental health. So I wanted to talk about that over at Patreon is where I have videos and information now. The link will be below, and it's very easy to join. It's so wonderful. I really enjoy it. And it's just another option to YouTube, so hop over and see what we're doing. And I wanted to say that we just wrapped up a mini 6x6 paper pad series with Allison Davis and Scrapbook Generations. I will have the link below for this class. It's only $5. So even if you don't come over to my Patreon page, definitely look into this. I mean, for $5, you're going to get a lot of inspiration. So we had fun playing with this, and we had a lot of great discussion. So I invite you to come over and join in with us. And even though it's ended, everything you can do on your own, because I'm always talking scrapbook, regardless of when we started something or ending something. It's just fun to keep playing. So then the other thing that we have been doing here on the channel on YouTube is that we talked about base pages a lot, and I will have that playlist linked below the video here, and you can see what base pages are if you're new to that concept. They're very fun to create, and it again can take your mind someplace else when you need to, and this is the time we need to take our mind someplace else. And so I recently talked about base pages again over Patreon, doing them in a new way, using a new product, and then doing them differently using that new product. So, or a product you already have a ton of. I kid you not. So definitely look into that video. And then something else that we had recently was talking about turning a 12 by 12 paper pad into page kits. Now again, page kits is another topic we've covered a lot here. I will have another playlist linked below for page kits, and you will be there for hours and hours and hours and maybe inspired to create your own page kits. So we took a paper pad such as this Die Cuts with a View Southern Belle, and we turned it into page kits. So hop over and look at that. Truly enjoyable. Then the other thing that I recently did is I did a post, and if there's no video to it, it's just a post, and it's talking about and listing many ideas of what you can do to stay creative during this time. And then I included links to a lot of free sketches, a lot of free classes, a lot of free things you can do. You'll be there for months for the links that I included. So hop over and look at that post. It is well worth looking at. There's a lot of things you can do that are creative that won't cost you a penny. So I did compile a list, and then I'm also encouraging the ladies that are over there to put their ideas too. So it'll just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So definitely look at that post. Really great resource. So then the other thing that I want to talk about, and the thing I'm most excited to talk about, is that something that's just happening on my Patreon page, which is a new series called Scrapbooking 100 Photos. Yes, I did say scrapbook 100 photos. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Finally just had the time to do it. And I think we all have time that we could do something like this. So I talk about where the concept came from, how you can take that concept and how you can build it around a theme or not a theme. I show you my super duper mega kit that I built. And then I also showed how I am using washi and trimmings, and how I have all my alphas ready to go. Yes, I do. And then I even, look at this. I even have a bin of nothing but punches, because with scrapbooking 100 photos, I'm not going to get tool heavy. I'm not going to get technique heavy, but you certainly can pull out a punch. How long does that take? So, and then also using new supplies, using supplies you already have in your stash, and then also too using paper pads, colored cardstock, 6x6 paper pads, and then the beauty of it, grabbing some scraps and making your own embellishments. So we talked about that in the kit, and then I'm going to have videos showing how I'm going to be scrapbooking 100 photos, and it's also about how you can scrapbook 100 photos from a variety of topics. It's not 100 photos from Disney. It's not 100 photos from the beach. It's not 100 photos from a birthday party or a wedding or a reunion, but it can be. So you can take it any which way you want. It's just about focusing on scrapbooking 100 photos and getting it done. Absolutely. So that's what I wanted to share today. And then along with that, what I'm using for inspiration to scrapbook that 100 photos. You know me, I'm always sharing free resources. That's just something I like to do. So I definitely wanted to encourage you to pop over to Patreon. The link is below. There's other YouTube gals over there. If you're new to Patreon, it's basically a smaller, more concise version of YouTube, but it's the same thing. It's just a place where you watch videos. So hop over. The link will be below. And again, during this time, very stressful time, look for those things you can do that relieves the stress and keeps your mental state in a creative, happy zone. Absolutely. That's all I have for today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay happy. Yes, and that's all I have for today. Come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.